How to e-file a correction form through the software. We all know filing information returns to start is no easy task, so having to file a correction form can sometimes be even worse. However, e-filing your correction forms through the software can make the process quick and easy. This tutorial will walk you through the process, so let's begin. But before we get started, let's go over some important notes. Number 1. You must have e-filed the original form in order to e-file a correction form. If you filed the original form by paper, you must also file the correction form by paper. Number 2. You can only e-file corrections through the software for incorrect amounts entered on the original form. Number 3. When e-filing a correction form through the software, the original form must have already been accepted by the government agency before you can file the correction form. And number 4. The following correction forms can be e-filed through the software: 1099 miss correction, 1099 div correction, 1099 int correction, and 1099s correction, 1098 correction, and W2C. Okay, now we're ready to go. Step 1 is to open your software, click e-file from the menu bar, and then click Check Status of e-filed forms from the submenu. Step 2 is to enter your e-file account password and log in. On Step 3, a browser window will open, logging you into your e-file account and navigating you to the Filed Forms page. Next is Step 4. On the Filed Forms page, you will see a grid of all the forms you have e-filed through the software. If you e-filed multiple form types, you can use the Form Type filter to search for the specific form for which you need to file a correction. Just select the form type from the drop-down list, then click the Apply button, and the grid will refresh with the forms e-filed for the form type selected. On Step 5, once you have found the form for which you need to file the correction, click the File a Correction link in the last column of the Forms grid. Again, as we noted at the beginning of the tutorial, your original form must have been accepted by the government agency in order for the File a Correction link to appear in the grid. If your form currently says temporarily unavailable, it means it has not yet been accepted by the government agency. After you click the File a Correction link in Step 6, a pop-up message will appear. The message will notify you that the fee to file a correction form is $7.95. Just click Yes to confirm you agree to the fee and continue to file the correction. If you do not want to continue to file the correction, click No. In Step 7, the original form you filed will appear with an X in the correction box above the form. As a reminder, you will notice that the payer and recipient information is grayed out since you can only make corrections for incorrect amounts entered on the form. If you need to file a correction for something other than an amount on the form, you can click the Cancel Correction button and your form will return to Filed Forms. If you do need to make amount changes, you can enter your changes and click Submit and Check Out to complete the form. Your form will move into the Forms in Progress page on Step 8, where you can select your form and click Add to Cart to pay for the filing and submit for processing. And there you have it. Now you can save time and frustration, making your correction filing process quick and easy. For more information, check out the instructions in your software's help files or contact customer service.